In this video, we're going to be looking at question number 2. So number 2 says, which sentence best refutes the critic's concerns about online education? So before I can do anything, I need to look up what the word refutes mean because I'm not sure. So if you remember in Kami, there is a dictionary tool that you can click on and highlight the word to see what the definition is. So refutes means to prove to be wrong or false, or to prove that someone is wrong. So I'm going to take my text box and leave myself a little note. So basically, what the question is asking is, which sentence best proves the critic's concerns wrong? So which one of these basically supports the claim that online is beneficial for students? Because the critics, I remember when I read, said that online school was not great. It wasn't good for students. So how can we look at one of these sentences and prove them wrong? So remember that when we have answer choices that are italicized, it means it came from the text. So that's why we have a box around it. So I'm going to read y'all the answer choices, and hopefully now that we know what refutes means, we can kind of get a better understanding of which answer choice may be correct. So while I'm reading them, just think about which one of these is the opposite of online classes being bad, because that's what the critics think and we want to prove them wrong. So A says, after viewing an interactive video about the electromagnetic spectrum, she joins a couple of her classmates in an online chat room to complete a virtual lab assignment that they will email to the instructor. B says, enrollment in these courses also allows students access to virtual laboratories in the finest libraries in the country, no matter where they live. C says, thanks to current technology, Samantha is just one of the many students who have benefited from online learning. And D says, in fact, Florida Virtual School, the nation's largest virtual high school, boasts higher scores in its advanced placement courses than many traditional public schools. So again, which one of those sentences from the text proves the critics wrong? Because the critics think online school is a bad thing, it's not beneficial. So which one of those is proving that online school is good for students? Okay, go ahead and look for your new answer choice and answer it on the spreadsheet.